tells us in the Quran that the night of power is better than 1,000 months. But when exactly is the night of power? We can't exactly be sure about the date, but there are many signs mentioned in the authentic sources about what the night of power would be like. The night of power will be calm, serene, and peaceful. The moon will look like a piece of plate or half a plate. It will most likely fall on one of the odd nights in the last 10 days of Ramadan. There is a possibility of a gentle rain or drizzle. The weather will be pleasing, neither too hot nor too cold. Sunrise the next morning will be rayless, weak, and reddish in color. But do you know why God did not reveal the exact date of the night of power? It is because He wants you to worship Him throughout the last 10 days as if it was the night of power. Remember God often. Increase your prayers and supplication. Recite the Quran and seek forgiveness on this special night, and you will be rewarded as if you did so for 1,000 months. The night of power also offers an opportunity for you to donate $1 and earn the reward of donating $30,000.